Today I want to talk about a common misconception that holds many people back from buying a home. The belief that they need 20% down payment. The truth is, there are many options available to help you become a homeowner. Even if you don't have that much saved, let's dive into some of those options. My name is Henry Jones, and I'm a mortgage real estate professional here in the state of Illinois. FHA Loans. Federal Housing Administration, FHA, loans are a great option for first-time homebuyers. They allow you to put down as little as 3.5% down, provided you meet credit and income requirements. This can make homeownership much more attainable. Conventional loans with low down payment options. Many conventional loans now offer low down payment programs. For example, you can qualify for a loan with as little as 3% down if you have good credit. Some of these programs also waive PMI, private mortgage insurance, requirements under certain conditions. VA loans for veterans. If you're a current or former member of the military, you may qualify for a VA loan, which requires no down payment and often comes with competitive interest rates and no PMI. It's one of the most buyer-friendly options available. USDA loans for rural areas. The Department of Agriculture, USDA, offer loans with no down payment for homes in eligible rural areas. The program is designed to help buyers in less populated communities achieve homeownership. Down payment assistance programs. There are numerous down payment assistance programs at the local, state, and federal levels. These programs can provide grants or low-interest loans to cover part or all of your down payment. Some are specifically for first-time buyers, while others are income-based. Gift funds from family. Many loan programs allow you to use gifted money from family members to cover your down payment. If you have supportive loved ones who are willing to help, this can be an excellent way to reduce your upfront costs. Leverage employer assistance. Some employers offer down payment assistance as part of the benefits package. If your company has a program like this, take advantage of it. It's essentially free money towards your home purchase. Save strategically. If none of these options fit your situation, don't lose hope. Start small by setting up a dedicated savings account for your down payment. Cut back on discretionary spending, automatic savings deposits, and look for ways to boost your income in the short term. Consider a starter home. If saving for a larger down payment is difficult, think about starting with a more affordable home. You can build equity over time and potentially use those proceeds from selling that home later to fund a larger down payment for your dream home. Talk to a mortgage professional. Finally, don't assume that you're out of options. Mortgage professionals like me are here to help you, guide you through the process, and match you with programs that fit your unique financial situation. We can help you explore all of your options and find a path to home ownership that works for you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this information has been helpful in showing you that home ownership is possible even without a 20% down payment. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on real estate, mortgages, and achieving your home ownership dreams. Have questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the future? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy house hunting.